Hello students. Today we are going to discuss class 10th political science. Lesson number 1, power sharing. Before starting our lesson, at first we have to understand that what is the meaning of power sharing, which is the name of our lesson. Power sharing means sharing of power among different labels and organs of the government. When a government of a country is deciding that it will share its power among different organs and labels, that type of division is called power sharing. The content what we have to discuss here in power sharing, that is ethnic composition. The detail of power sharing we will discuss later in the lesson. But here we have to discuss ethnic composition. Now you will think that what is called ethnic composition? Ethnic composition means a social division which is based on shared culture, a large group of people who have the same custom, religion, etc. But they are divided according to the languages what they are speaking in the country. To understand about the ethnic composition, we have to discuss Belgium. Belgium is a small country of Europe which is having very complex ethnic composition with it, because generally you will find that if a country is having any type of division with it, what type of division you will find in the country, same like that division will be founded in the capital city of that country. But in Belgium we are not finding like that. Here we are finding different type of ethnic composition in the country, and just opposite to that ethnic composition in capital city of Belgium. So let's start the ethnic composition of Belgium. In Belgium we are finding that people are divided among different groups according to the languages what they are speaking in the country. According to that we can divide these people in different percentages. In the country we are finding that 59% people were there who spoke Dutch languages, while 40% population were there who spoke French language, and remaining 1% spoke German language. Means Dutch speakers were the majority of the country, while French speakers were the minority of the country. Now you will think that people who were majority, they should receive much more opportunities by the government policies, but you are wrong here. The minority of the country which was founded in the Belgium, they were strong and powerful community of Belgium, because this community were received all type of benefits, opportunities by government from the starting of the settlement, while the majority population were weaker and poorer section of the community, because they received different benefits of the government like education much later than French community. Here we have to discuss the capital city. In capital city, it is founded that the composition of the capital city is just opposite from the country. In country, we have founded that Dutch speakers were majority of the country, but in capital city, Dutch speakers were minority of the country, while French, which were minority of the country, they were majority of the capital city. Now you will think that as we have founded in the country that the minority speakers or the minority population were received benefits of government from the starting, so that here also minority should be receive all the benefits, all the policies of the government from the starting. But it was also just opposite here from the country. Here we are finding that French community were received all type of benefits of policies or opportunities from the starting, and Dutch speakers were received these opportunities much later than the majority of the capital city. These differences which were received by these people, this led to tension between the Dutch speakers and French speakers of community during 1950s and 1960s, because whole population of the country want to receive equal opportunities of the policies which were made by the government. Because of that, the Dutch speakers, who were majority in the country and minority in the capital city, and not received these opportunities by government from the starting, so that they raise their voice to receive equal opportunity by government.